Hi everybody, hope you're all well. Thank you Andrea Plank for your suggestion to make lemonade bread. When you message or in the comments on another vlog, I thought lemonade bread, and I actually looked it up, and there is 1 or 2 people who have kind of made this. I will put a link in the description to theirs, but I thought that, well, it really intrigued me, and I thought that's something that I'd like to, something a bit fun, a little bit silly, a little bit. In fact, I think kids might like to try this because it's very well, it's novel. That's for sure. Lemonade bread. I mean, yeah. Come and have a look at the ingredients. It does involve a can of lemonade. Even now I'm thinking, will this actually work? But it's well worth a go. And I have no idea whether it will work. It appears to work for the recipe that I'd found, that Andrea Plank kind of directed me to. So yeah, come and have a look at the ingredients. So I am following a specific recipe, and in that recipe it involves a can, 330 ml of lemonade. I can actually only get hold of diet lemonade, but I'm sure that'll be fine. Plain flour, 50 grams of butter. The ingredients list will float up. Salt, sugar and yeast. That's just dried sachet yeast, 7 grams. So yeah, we're going to bung this in a bowl, pour in the lemonade. In fact, I'm going to have to melt that in the microwave. It's meant to be melted butter, so that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, let's get this in a bowl and see what happens. See you in a bit. Okay, I'm just popping the flour in. Salt, sugar and yeast. I'm just going to stir it all in before I add the melted butter and the lemonade. Melted butter, lemonade. This is so weird. Right, I'm going to put this on a floured surface and start to sort of knead it, and etc, etc. It is very sticky. Right, I've oiled the bowl. I've kind of scraped out as much as I can and oiled it. So I'm going to put the dough. Oh, I tell you what, it stayed sticky for ages, but kept applying the flour, and in the end it's okay. So I'm going to stick this in the bowl, cover it, and I'm going to sit it on top of a radiator because it's not that, I've got nowhere warm other than the radiator. which will do the job for an hour, hopefully, or until it doubles in size, and then we'll be back. So see you in a bit. Right, it took 2 hours to double in size last night, and then I had to crack on making dinner for the family. So let's have a look. I haven't looked since it's been in the fridge overnight. Well, it's definitely got bigger. That's quite good. I have left it out of the fridge for an hour to try to get it to as close to room temperature as possible. So we're going to kind of knead this for a little bit and then divide it into 2 balls. I'm going to try plating. I've never done that before. I have one team's a bit bigger than the other, but never mind. Maybe this one will go in the Ninja. Since it's slightly smaller. I'm just going to divide it into 3 equal pieces. I've not done this before, so but I have watched the video where I will, like I said before, I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, I mean it's quite fun to try something new. So I'm trying to make these into sausage, longer shapes. Keep springing back. No, I'm not too unhappy with that. I'm going to leave this in the Ninja just for 30 minutes to an hour to, you know, let it rest. Excuse me, frog in my throat. Yeah, and there you go. So I will egg wash this, and I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. But we're going to let that rest for 30 minutes to an hour, depending on, you know, if it's sort of, yeah, I'm just going to give it a good length, an hour. Right, same thing with this one. Kind of tuck it on under there, it seems. That seems to be, although a bit of fat there, not so fat there, but they look great. I like that. I've never done that before. That's so cool. Right, this is going in the Ninja, not the Ninja, the Cosori. Again, I've prepared it. So we'll let that rest, and I will see you in a bit. Okay, they've been in for 45 minutes. They've definitely increased in size, which is great. So I'm going to egg wash and then sprinkle with a little bit of sesame seed before putting on bake at 180 for 25 minutes. I probably will check it 20 minutes and maybe flip the Ninja one if it needs it. Right, let's get this in. So bake 180 Fahrenheit there, 25 minutes. I'm winging it slightly, but that feels okay. And now the Ninja. Draw 2, bake 180. Oh. See you in a bit. Oh, it's ended. I haven't had a look. Oh my gosh, that looks absolutely fantastic. Wow. Yeah, that looks really good. I mean, what would that cost in a borough market in London, for instance? I mean, a good £5, I'm pretty sure. Ninja's on cool, so let's have a look. Oh yes, it's slightly darker as well than the other one, the Cosori one. Alright, excuse the Ninja noise. Let's have a look at what's going on the underside. We're definitely going to give this a 5 minutes. I'll just let it go to, oh, there we go. Always let your cool function run through because it's meant to be good for the elements of the AF451. Right, so where are we? Just 165 minutes. I don't want to overdo it. Oh, that should do it. There we go. Let's have a look at what's going on underneath this one. I think a little bit more. Just the same. Okay, see you in a few minutes. I have to say there's an absolutely lovely smell of bread. Right, that will do it, I think. And a closer look later. Yeah, well, I have to say I'm really pleased with this bread. I mean, it's novel that it's lemonade bread, and hopefully the taste test will make that's, well, whether or not I'll taste the lemonade, I've no idea at this point, but that actually looks fantastic, and I really like plating. I really did. I will definitely do that again. So we're going to have a closer look, and then I'm going to let these completely cool before I have a taste test, which I'm really looking forward to. So I will see you in a bit. Right, I'm going to cut them slightly cack-handed, but that's just for the camera. Let's see what they're like inside. This is the Ninja one. Ooh, that looks all right. Smells like regular bread. I'm just going to do a couple of slices. They will get eaten. It's nice, the bread is completely cold, best way really. I think if it's warm it will just crush. Yeah, right, for the Cosori one, let's just swap that. Oh, it smells lovely. think that looks all right. It's kind of a shininess to it. I'm not sure whether that's the lemonade. Feels really soft. Yeah, I mean, looks like a lovely slice of bread. Fantastic. Right. Ooh, can you see? I think you can just about see them. They look and feel lovely. Very soft, the bread dough. Cosori, that on this side, slightly bigger. Ninja, slightly smaller, but that's down to me cutting half of the ball, not quite 50-50. But I mean, I'm really loving the way it turned out with the egg wash and the sesame seeds. Completely optional with the sesame seeds, and you could even flour, you know, rather than egg wash. You don't have to do that. So let's have a go. Ooh, I mean, I can't tell if it's lemonade that I'm tasting, but it tastes really nice. It tastes really lovely. It's not, I mean, lemony. It's not lemony. Lemonade. Is it lemonade? Is it lemonade like? Hold on. Oh, the bread itself is absolutely lovely. I mean, in terms of softness and stuff like that, and it holds well together as a slice. It's something fun, and if you sort of want to sort of kind of get your kids into baking, it's novel. So try it for them. Let them try it, because it's really nice. And even an overnight rise over the weekend, it would rise, and it did rise in 2 hours. Try the Ninja one. It's really tasty, but I'm not sure if that's just lemonade or just because it's just bread, freshly made bread. Oh yeah, I mean, this is really nice. We're going to really enjoy this. It's the weekend coming up. This is lovely. Lovely. Oh yeah, I'd make it again. Not necessarily like I said with the lemonade, but I really enjoyed having a go, and it being very novel. Actually, the sesame seeds really do add flavour. And the crust is really nice. I like a crust. I mean, for me, this is a 10 out of 10 for bread, even as a novel sort of lemonade thing going on. I really enjoyed that. And I'm going to go off camera now, finish this. no, for sure. And I might have another slice. It's lunchtime. That's what you got to eat. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. But it's fun, and I think it's definitely something that kids might get really into. Why? Oh, I can't even talk. Start again. Oh.